Today is Saturday, June 18. Still waiting for the spark plugs. Yay, how lovely. Spark plugs and the fitting for the breather, for the bleeding point that has on timing cover. Now, why I start the camera? Yeah, first thing first. I changed the cable, alright? That's the first thing. It was only one that had the problem. Second, what I forget to mention yesterday. Yesterday I forget to mention that I have blocked here the oil return and I have put these bolts here. These are specific bolts for this point. These two here, what you see, and the other two over here. Alright? Then, what else? I grab the pipes with the cable ties for their condition, for the actuator here. I put the bridge cables here. Also from this side, this for the transmission. Okay. What else? What else I want to mention? I already wrap the parts. I prepare the parts. Bolts, pipes, everything's here inside. On the collector I put also the new gaskets. I just place it there. And that's it pretty much. Did I forget something to mention? Well, what's remaining now, like I said, to get out. Yes, that's what I forget. I forget to mention that I have put a new damper pulley bolt here, but it's not been torqued down. I need to torque it down when I remove it from the engine stand. So, spark plugs, the fitting, torque down the damper pulley bolt, and install the dual mass flywheel, the flex plate, dang it, and then it goes back to home. Yeah, that's the story. When I'm gonna see the spark plugs and the fitting, I'm gonna put it also on the video to be complete. Then I have to give the engine outside to prepare the pallet to support it. They have to support it from the engine mount brackets to be bolted down, and back where it's attaching here the transmission, need the brackets to be nice and steady, to don't start rolling in the box. That's the story. Whenever I'm gonna see the spark plugs, I'm gonna continue the video and I'm gonna upload it. That's it for now. We are back in business. Fittings. Yeah, that's the part number for those who are wondering. This will not gonna match on the G class, GLE, ML because it has different angle. It's like this. Okay, so the fitting one on it, this is extra as a backup, and the HKS spark plugs need to be gapped. Let's see, we're gonna make it in one day. I have one full day to do that. let's put it on. All right, the new fitting with the new pipe back in place. I watched the video and there is no bracket. It came without being bolted on. The guided pulley was down. Okay, so pipe fitting, beautiful, excellent. Now spark plugs being gapped, ready for installation. Let's put also the spark plugs, and then outside of the engine room, finish also this engine. Anything else? Something more, something less? No. I have the ignition coil is there, like I said. Outside I set the flex plate and the damper pulley bolt. First the damper pulley bolt, then the flex plate. Beautiful. That's the end. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend. I don't know if I'm gonna make another video today. It might be another video for the S63 Formatic, the first start. So that's it. Thank you.